Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to disable Google Chrome's split view features. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is open, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for customizing your browser experience. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can adjust numerous features and preferences. The settings page is your central hub for controlling how Chrome behaves and appears on your device. Now on the left side of the settings page, you'll notice a navigation panel with several categories. Click on Appearance from this menu. The Appearance section contains all the visual and display-related settings for your browser, which is exactly where we need to be to disable the split view feature. Once you're in the Appearance section, scroll down through the various options until you find Allow Split View Drag and Drop on left or right edge of the window. This setting controls whether you can drag tabs to the edges of your browser window to create a split view. Right beside this option, you'll see a toggle button. Click this toggle to turn it off. This disables the first part of the split view functionality. However, there's another setting we need to adjust to completely disable the feature. In your address bar at the top, type chrome://flags and press Enter. This takes you to Chrome's experimental features page where advanced settings are controlled. Be careful here as these are more technical options that affect how Chrome operates. At the top of the flags page, you'll see a search box. Type split into this search field to quickly filter the results. Among the options that appear, look for Enable Split View Link Opening Shortcut. This controls the keyboard shortcut functionality for split view. Click the drop-down menu beside this option and select Disabled from the list. This ensures that split view won't be triggered through shortcuts either. After making this change, you'll notice a relaunch button appear at the bottom of the page. Click Relaunch to restart your Google Chrome browser. This step is essential because the changes won't take effect until Chrome restarts completely. The browser will close and reopen automatically, and when it does, the split view feature will be fully disabled. And that's it. You've successfully turned off Chrome's split view feature through both the standard settings and the advanced flags menu. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.